We are gathered today here in the sight of God and in the presence of these witnesses to join together Brock and Christine in holy matrimony, which is an honorable estate instituted by God. It is therefore not to be entered into unadvisedly, but reverently, discreetly, and in fear of God. Into this holy estate, Brock and Christine now come to be joined.
You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you. You won't be surprised, it happens every time, it's nothing new. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind, 'cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless. It started when you said hello, just did something to me. And I've been in a daze ever since the day that we met. You took the breath out of my lungs, can't even fight it, and all of the words out of my mouth without even trying. And I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless. Yeah, yeah. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind, 'cause when you look at me with those eyes.
Brock, will you have this woman to be your wedded wife to live together after God's ordinance in the holy estate of matrimony? Will you love her, comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, keeping yourself only unto her, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
Oh, that's okay. Christine, will you have this man to be your wedded husband? To live together after God's holy ordinance in a holy estate of matrimony? Will you love, honor, and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, keep yourself only unto him, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
Chris, you are the love of my life, my best friend, and my partner in crime. From our very first date, I knew you're the one for me. The way you make me feel when we are together is a feeling that will be forever unmatched. I will never forget the moment that I knew I'd fallen in love with you. I had to leave town, and the longer I was away, the more I realized I didn't want to be away from you anymore. I remember texting you to say I had a surprise for you, knowing that when I returned home, I was going to tell you that I loved you.
My love, from the moment I met you, my life changed in ways I never imagined. You are my best friend, my confidant, and my greatest love. Today I stand here before our family and friends, overwhelmed with gratitude and joy to be able to call you my partner for life. I love you so much, and you have brought such joy to my life. Today on our wedding day and every other day of our lives, I promise to walk with you hand in hand through life as your biggest fan, your shoulder to lean on.
This ring I give you as a token of my love.
And a pledge of my constant fidelity.
and a pledge of my constant fidelity.
This ring I give you as a token of my love. And a pledge
Of my constant
and a
fidelity.
pledge of my constant fidelity.
I pronounce they are husband and wife in the name of the Father and of the Son and the Holy Spirit. You may now kiss your bride. That's enough, Dad.
Well, my friends, the time has come. Raise the roof and have some fun. Throw away the work to be done. Let the music play on. Everybody sing, everybody dance. Lose yourself in wild romance. We're going to party, caramba, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. We're going to party, caramba, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. All night long, all night, all night long, all night, all night long, all night, all night long. Yeah!
Can you imagine being told that you will be a mentor to a new young teacher? I was told that Christine Diedrich would be moving into my schoolroom, and I'd have to take her under my wing, teach her the ropes, and guide her as needed. What a job she had. Yes, what a job she had. I was so nervous to meet this nice young lady, but what a sweet girl. I found her to be a positive light that came into my teaching career. As the years went by, we stayed close and learned to trust each other. Fast forward to the last few years, I found out that she was dating Brock Hall. My protective side came out. Was he good enough? Would he appreciate her? Would he accept her sense of humor because she made me laugh so hard I cried? I should have known her common sense and her intuition would kick in. And yes, correct, Brock Hall has proven to be worthy of her, and she of him. God bless both of them and both of you, both of them on their wedding day.
I'm just winging it like I always do. But let me tell you, first time I met Brock, that was in college. Lots of stories on that one. We'll just leave those be. But yeah, just when he met Chris, I knew right away they were just meant to be together. Look at them. Just amazing. But yeah, I'm not really good at words at this point. But I will say that I'm so happy for them, and that this has just been a wonderful day to be here together with all of them, and I'm just so happy for you too. So thank you.